When Larry and Beth found the perfect island home to renovate, it was still in its original 1950s condition.
It was rough, yeah?
That's an understatement, yeah. There was a lot of work that needed to be done. I mean, you literally stepped into a time capsule and you felt like you walked into the 1950s.
Finding a trusted and reliable contractor to oversee a home renovation can be a difficult process. However, Larry and Beth were able to quickly find the contractor they were looking for, thanks to a website called contractorconnection.com.
The contractor was great. He showed up, he knew what he was doing, and I could easily see the progress every day transform this house into what we wanted it to be. So it was fantastic.
Contractor Connection not only helped Larry and Beth in choosing the right contractor, but we were able to provide assistance in providing quality work backed by a 3-year workmanship warranty.
We couldn't have done it without Contractor Connection, getting it done on time and so well. It exceeded our expectations. We're definitely going to use them again.